ricochet, which is all very good as well, but it's also thickening the armour, the amount that's got to penetrate before it can actually go inside the vehicle. So by angling, as you can see on that Chaffee, compared to the first tank, the Stuart, it's got a much better ballistic profile. The other thing you'll notice, on the Stuart note card, it's got a 37mm gun on it. Radial engine in the back, that's why you can hear that engine there. Big round, probably high at the back, and you can hear it. It's a very set of engines in there, reconnaissance, and the team up point is good enough. Keep the enemy soldiers' heads down, don't worry too much if you bump into them, you're there for it's a version of the Sherman tank with thicker armour that was done recently. They go back to the US forces in America and say, listen, we think we're going to need it further. There's going to be better protected to lead the attack against fortified positions. And this tank. So that becomes a much heavily protected vehicle. Now they're trying out, there we can see again another late war Sherman. This one is the type that was ultimately given to Yugoslavia after World War II. You recognise this one? Shermans like this. And you can see what they're up against later in the war. You've actually got coming out there what the armour was at sometimes. Not that often, but sometimes they would go. See, 75 millimetres on. Brought back at the end of World War II. Basically went back to Germany, went back to Britain, just restored the work of all the money in that place. That's what they lost that. The whole advantage of that Jagdpanther, it can fire at an enemy a long distance away. Now that's great because you can see the enemy at a long distance. Again, some of the times in Italy, Albert Speer went out to Italy to look at German tanks, came back, the German tank crewmen were saying we need a tank more like the Sherman because it was much more mobile, it could ride around relatively streets, etc., compared to some of these bigger German tanks. Tigers were some of a terrible time in Italy. So sometimes the landscape, you need to know where the tanks are going to be firing to the rest of the problem. Out on the eastern front, where again the distance, the area that is going to be firing is much bigger, so it can really concentrate on the full advantage. Sophisticated in their camouflage, this is mainly just because we're bombing their factories so effectively they can only afford to use larger quantities 3 times in the whole of the Northwest Europe campaign. One time with the German tank attack, the 4 tanks, most of those German tanks were taken out by air power, or Tigers, Pink Tigers, and some Jagdpanthers. That takes place in December of 1944 in the Ardennes. Most American tanks in the Second World War. Since maybe done, a lot of the tanks here great high explosive, very good turner speed, as you can see, good mobility.